Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate this in your Samsung. Okay, Google, open Instagram. Okay, Google, open Facebook. Okay, Google, open TikTok. So I'm going to show you how you can activate this kind of voice command so that you can tell your phone to do whatever thing you want your phone to do just with your voice command. All right. This will be helpful while you're driving or while maybe you're tired, you don't have strength to press your phone, or your phone is far away and you command your phone to do whatever you want your phone to do. You can tell your phone to dial any number, you can tell your phone to do anything, and your phone is going to do that just with your voice command, right? Just for Samsung users alone. I don't know if it works in other phones, but you can follow these steps that I'm going to show you in this video and try it in your Techno, in your Infinix, in other kind of phones that you use, and drop in the comment section and tell me if it worked in your phone and the name of your phone as well. All right, so let's dive right into it. Now, for you to do this, come over to your phone and go to setting. Click on setting and open setting. Now scroll up a little bit and go to Google. Okay, click on Google, open it, and once you open Google, all you need to do is go over to all services. Click on all services, scroll up a little bit and go to search, assistant and voice. Click on it. Once you open it, the next place you need to go is Google Assistant. All right, click on Google Assistant. Once you get here, what you need to click next is voice match. Click on voice match. The first time you're going to do this is going to write series of things that you're going to read. Okay, next, turn on while driving and turn on Hey Google. All right, so you guys can see over here that my voice has already been attached here. If I remove this voice, remove. Okay, now the next thing I need to do is click on Hey Google. Once you turn that on, you guys can see get things done hands-free with your assistant from Google. All right, click on agree, scroll up and click on agree. Now here, teach Google to recognize your voice. Click on more, click on agree. Over here you can see it's telling me what to do. So here you can see what is written here. So I'm going to read it loud. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. You guys can see as I'm reading it, it's highlighting it. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? You guys can see it has marked this one. Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. You guys can see that it's all set. Now the next thing you need to do is click on next, and that's it. Start saving audio. That's it. Once you do that, your voice, you can see here, remove voice match from all my device. My voice has already been highlighted. So once I go back to my phone and follow the steps that I used and say, okay Google, do this, do that, my phone is going to listen to my voice and do whatever thing I say my phone should do. All right, so this is exactly how you can use voice command in your phone to control any part of your phone or to tell your phone to do whatever you want your phone to do. Now, if this video was helpful, make sure you follow for more tips like this.